Morning folks. Okay, so a little bit of a different video for you this weekend. We're off to the Stafford County showground for the national show run by the Parrot Society. We're picking up some new birds. So what we'll do is we'll give you a little video for those of you who've not been to the show, just to get you a flavour of what the show is like. So we'll catch you in a little while. Hi guys, so we've arrived at the county showground. Now if you are going to come to Stafford, one thing you will need to know is there's probably going to be quite a bit of walking involved. As you can probably see behind me, and we'll show you a better view there. What an array of cars. Very busy show, so there's going to be quite a bit of walking to do today. But we'll on up to the top, and then once we get in we'll show you where we are. So folks, we're inside the Prestwick Hall, which is one of the smaller halls. As you can see, there are plenty of birds for sale, lots and lots of tables. The show's just opened up to the general public at 9:30. You can get earlier tickets to get in, but as you can see, it is absolutely buzzing. Tracy's just picking up a couple of birds she's ordered, and then we'll go back into the big hall and we'll show you what it looks like in there. Okay folks, so we're in the main hall now. As you can see, it is quite a size. There's a lot of people here today. A lot of stalls. So this is the main hall. As you can see, there is a balcony to the hall, okay, where there are various stands up here as well. So, there we go, that's the size of the hall. We're going to go downstairs now and have a little wander around and see what else we can find. We'll be back to give you a few more details. Okay folks, so yes, we're back from the Stafford show, that we call the national show, always held in October. And as you can possibly hear, we've got some new friends, so we'll turn the camera around and show you who they are. Okay, so we're out in the sunshine, as you can probably see. Light's a little bit on the bright side, but we've bought some more elf-finches. So that gives us now 2 pair of normal elf-finches and 2 pair of fawn elf-finches. Okay, and we've also got some parrot-finches, red-faced parrot-finches, and some pair of four-finches, which we've got had before, and we'll see how they all get on together. And then we have another pair of cockatiels. We did unfortunately lose the 2 younger cockatiels that we had recently. So these pair, we think, breeder thinks are around about 3 to 4 years old. They're a proven pair. So we'll see where we get on from there. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, guys, about the Stafford show. Hopefully give you a little bit of an insight in what to expect should you decide to go for the first time. Catch you soon, guys.